Hi, this is Matt with Holly Inspections. Have you ever heard your inspector talk about having weak water pressure? I want to show you a perfect example. You see right here, we're in the master bathroom and the shower is running. We're going to go over here, we're going to turn the first faucet on at the sink. We're going to turn the second sink faucet on. We're going to come over here to the bathtub itself. We're going to turn it on. And when we get back over here to the shower, the water pressure is so weak that nothing can come out of the shower. So we're going to do this in reverse. We're going to turn the bathtub off. One sink off. The second sink off. The shower once again has water pressure. This house has very, very weak water pressure. And this issue needs to be addressed by a qualified plumber to figure out exactly why. So for all your home inspection needs and all your home inspection questions in the St. Louis area and the St. Louis Metro East, call Holly Inspections at 314-257-0040 or 618-593-9631. We wish everybody a safe and happy day. Thank you.